Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do this stitch 2 rows repeat. I'm gonna use 3.0 millimeter crochet hook. This stitch works with multiples of 3 plus 2 more chains. So I have here multiples of 3 and I'm gonna chain 2 more chains. We're gonna skip the first chain and into the second chain we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 3. We're gonna skip the next 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the third chain we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 3, and we're gonna do like this until we finish this row. So we're gonna skip the next 2 chains and into the third chain, single crochet first, chain 3, again skip the next 2 chains and into the third, single crochet, chain 3, we're gonna skip the next 2 chains and into the third, single crochet, chain 3, and we're gonna be left with 3 chains. We're gonna skip the next 2 chains and into the third, which is the last chain, we're gonna do a single crochet. So this is one of the rows that we're gonna repeat. Okay, now we're gonna chain 2, turn your work, and in this first stitch right here we're gonna do a double crochet. Now in this 3 chain space we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet, and we have the single crochet from the previous row, which is between these 3 chains space. So in this single crochet we're gonna do 3 double crochets. So 1, I'm gonna go back again into that single crochet and do 2 more double crochets. Next we have the chain 3, in which we're going to go in there and do a single crochet in that 3 chain space. And the next we have the single crochet, in which we're going to go and put in there 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and the third double crochet. Next we have the chain 3 space. We're going to do a single crochet in that 3 chain space. The next is the single crochet, in which we're gonna do 3 double crochets. Okay, next we have the 3 chain space. I'm gonna go in there and do a single crochet. Next is the single crochet, in which we go and put in there 3 double crochet. Now we have the chain 3 at the end here. We're gonna do a single crochet in that 3 chain space, and now we have the last stitch, in which we're gonna do 2 double crochets in that last stitch. So 1, I'm gonna go back again and do the second double crochet. It's gonna look like this. Now we're going to repeat the row with chaining 3 and single crochet, chain 3 and single crochet. We're going to chain 1, turn your work. So into the first stitch here we're going to do a single crochet, chain 3, and now the single crochet we're going to move to the first cluster of 3 double crochets. And the one in the middle, we're gonna skip the first double crochet, and through the second on top, through the stitch, we're gonna do a single crochet. So it's the double crochet, the one in the middle, chain 3, and I'm gonna move to the next shell, let's say the 3 double crochet. We're gonna skip the first and into the second double crochet, through the stitch, we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 3, and we're going to move to the next shell. We're going to skip the first double crochet and into the second single crochet, chain 3, move to the next shell, the one in the middle, the second double crochet. We're going to put in there through the stitch a single crochet, chain 3, and now at the end we have the chain 2, and we're going to go in that on top of the second chain. On top of the second chain we're going to do a single crochet. Now we're going to chain 2, turn your work, and now we're going to repeat the row with the double crochets, yeah, and the single crochet. Okay, so now the first stitch is here. We're going to do a double crochet, 3 chain space here. We're going to go in there and do a single crochet, yarn over the hook. We have the single crochet here, and we're going to do, in that single crochet we're going to do 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and the third one. So 3 double crochets in that stitch. And next we have the 3 chain space, and we're going to do a single crochet. Next is the single crochet from the previous row, in which we're going to put in there 3 double crochets. So this is the stitch. It's quite easy, this one. So the next is the 3 chain space. I'm going to put a single crochet there, and in the single crochet we're going to put 3 double crochets. Next we have the single crochet in that 3 chain space, 3 double crochet through that single crochet from the previous row, and this will go so fast. And we have at the end here the 3 chain space, and we're going to do a single crochet in that 3 chain space, and at the end, the last stitch, we're going to do 2 double crochets. Now you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and now we're going to repeat the first stitch, single crochet, chain 3, and we're going to go to the first 3 double crochet shell. We're going to skip the first one, and into the second we're going to do a single crochet, chain 3, move to the next shell, the one in the middle, the double crochet there, through the stitch we're going to do a single crochet, chain 3, and you move to the next, the one in the middle. You're going to work with that, chain 3, move to the next shell, put a single crochet in the second double crochet from that shell, chain 3, and now at the end we have the chain 2. You're going to go on top of the second chain right there, and you're going to do a single crochet. Now you're going to chain 2, and you're going to start the row with 3 double crochet and single crochet in that 3 chain space. So this is how it looks. I did with different sizes a sample. This one, if you want a table runner or something thinner, this is work with 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. So this is the front of the work, and this is the back of the work. It looks quite nice. You can do a blouse, the cardigan, a blanket, so many things you can do. So this is one of the sizes with a thin yarn if you want for a table runner or a tablecloth, but I did one, let's say, with 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, so this is a little bit thicker. So if you like for a blanket or for a wrap, I think this is nice. So this is the front of the work, and this is the back. But I think the front looks much nicer than the back. So if you want to try this stitch for some project, that will be great. That's quite nice. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.